Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our lives? It's like an invisible hand, subtly shaping our world in ways we don't often realize. It's in the smartphone that wakes you up in the morning, the self-driving cars that are starting to populate our streets, and even in the online shopping recommendations that seem to know just what you need. AI is everywhere, quietly integrating itself into our daily routines. It's redefining how we live, work, and play. It's making our lives easier, more efficient, and in many ways more exciting. From predictive text input that understands your typing habits, to virtual assistants that control your home appliances, to complex algorithms that predict stock market trends, AI is not just a distant future concept. It's here, it's now, it's changing the game. But what exactly is AI? In its simplest form, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines. But what does it mean when we say intelligent machines? Let's break it down a bit. AI, or artificial intelligence, is an umbrella term that encompasses a broad range of concepts. Essentially, it's all about making machines smart, but not just smart in the way your smartphone is. We're talking about a different kind of smart, the kind that learns, adapts, and evolves. Imagine a toddler learning to recognize shapes and colors. Over time, the child learns to identify a red square or a blue circle. AI works in a similar way. It learns from experience, adjusts to new inputs, and is capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. This learning process is what we call machine learning, a pivotal aspect of AI. Now you might be thinking, that sounds complex. Well, yes and no. The underlying technology can indeed be intricate, but the principle is pretty straightforward. It's about input and output, feeding data into a system, and then the system learning from that data to provide a certain output. For instance, when you use a voice-activated assistant like Siri or Alexa, you're interacting with AI. These systems learn from the vast amount of data they're fed. The more data, the better they become at understanding and responding to your requests. AI can also be seen in recommendation algorithms, like when Netflix suggests a new show based on your viewing history. The system is learning from your past choices and applying that knowledge to make future predictions. So, to sum it up, AI is all about creating machines that can learn, adapt, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It is the driving force behind many of the technological innovations we see today, and it's only going to become more prevalent as we move forward. Now that we understand what AI is, how does it benefit individuals? From recommending the perfect playlist to predicting weather, AI is making our lives easier and more convenient every day. One of the most noticeable ways AI interacts with us daily is through personal assistants, Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. These names are no longer strangers to us. Powered by artificial intelligence, they help us set reminders, answer queries, and even control smart home devices with just our voice. Isn't it fascinating when you ask Siri about the weather and it provides you an accurate forecast? That's AI at work, my friends. Speaking of smart home devices, they are another brilliant example of AI for individuals. From smart thermostats that learn your preferred room temperature to intelligent security systems that alert you about unusual movements, AI is silently revolutionizing our homes. Let's not forget about recommendation systems. Whether it's Netflix suggesting a new series based on your viewing history, or Spotify creating a personalized playlist for you, these are all AI-powered systems learning from your behavior to provide a tailored experience. AI also plays a crucial role in healthcare. It assists in early disease detection, helps doctors with diagnoses, and even predicts health risks. For example, AI can analyze a multitude of data from wearable devices to predict potential heart issues. It's like having a personal doctor who never sleeps. And these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual reality games. It's not a distant reality anymore. It's here, integrated into our daily lives, making them easier, safer, and more enjoyable. AI is not just a fancy buzzword. It's a game changer, a revolutionary tool that's reshaping how we live, work, and play. With every passing day, it's getting better, smarter, and more intuitive, all with the aim of enhancing our lives. Clearly, AI has a significant impact on individuals, but what about businesses? AI is not just transforming our personal lives, it's revolutionizing the business world too. Let's dive into how AI is adding value to businesses. For starters, automation is a game changer. AI enables businesses to automate repetitive tasks, saving precious time and resources. From sorting emails to processing invoices, AI takes the monotony out of work, allowing employees to focus on more strategic tasks. Next, let's talk about data, the lifeblood of modern businesses. AI excels in analyzing vast amounts of data, spotting patterns and trends faster than any human could. This means businesses can make data-driven decisions with more precision and speed. Whether it's predicting sales trends, identifying customer preferences, or detecting fraud, AI is making sense of the numbers in ways we never thought possible. Now imagine a customer service that never sleeps. That's what AI brings to the table. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, businesses can provide round-the-clock customer service. These digital helpers can handle a myriad of queries, resolve issues swiftly, and learn from each interaction, continually improving their responses. AI's influence extends across various industries. In finance, AI is used for algorithmic trading and risk assessment. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. Even in retail, AI is reshaping the shopping experience with personalized recommendations and virtual fitting rooms. But AI's role in decision-making is perhaps its most transformative aspect. By analyzing complex data sets, AI can help businesses make better strategic decisions. Whether it's identifying the right market for a new product or optimizing supply chains, AI is providing insights that can be the difference between success and failure. So, is AI the silver bullet for every business challenge? Of course not. Like any tool, it has its limitations and requires careful management, but there's no denying that AI is a powerful ally for businesses, offering efficiencies and insights that can drive growth and innovation. As we can see, AI has the potential to revolutionize businesses. But what does the future hold for AI? The future of AI is indeed a fascinating one, filled with endless possibilities. Imagine a world where your car not only drives you to your destination, but also predicts traffic patterns, adjusts your route in real time, and even finds a parking spot for you. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles powered by AI. These self-driving machines could revolutionize our daily commutes, long-distance travel, and even the logistics industry. Then let's think about advanced robotics. The robots of the future won't just be assembly line workers. They'll be personal assistants, healthcare providers, even companions. AI will enable them to understand and interact with the world around them in ways we can only dream of today. They'll be capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions based on complex data. And what about education? Imagine a personalized learning experience where AI understands each student's unique learning style and tailors the curriculum accordingly. It could identify areas where a student is struggling and adjust the teaching methods to help them grasp the concept. We are looking at a future where education is not a one-size-fits-all model, but a customized journey for every learner. But as much as AI promises, it also presents challenges. Ethical questions are arising about the use and potential misuse of AI. Who is responsible when an autonomous car makes a mistake? How do we ensure that AI respects our privacy and doesn't discriminate? And as AI continues to advance, how do we ensure that it benefits everyone, not just the privileged few? Societal challenges will also be significant. As AI takes over certain jobs, how do we retrain those workers? How do we ensure that the wealth generated by AI is distributed fairly? These are not just questions for technologists, but for all of us as a society. With such a promising future, how can we prepare for the AI revolution? The answer lies in understanding, engagement, and thoughtful regulation. And that's what we'll discuss in the next scene. Stay tuned. Preparing for the AI revolution involves a combination of education, adaptation, and vigilance. As we move forward in this era of rapid technological advancement, it's crucial that we arm ourselves with the knowledge and skills that will help us navigate this new landscape. Let's start with education. If AI is the future, then learning about it is the first step towards that future. It's not just about understanding how algorithms work, but also about understanding the wider context in which AI operates. This includes everything from the basics of machine learning to the more complex aspects of neural networks and deep learning. There are countless resources available online and offline to help you get started. And remember, you don't need to be a tech wizard to understand AI. A basic grasp of its principles is enough to get you started. Adaptation is the next key aspect. With AI becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, from our smartphones to our workplaces, we must learn to adapt to its presence. This doesn't mean we have to accept every new AI innovation without question. Rather, it's about learning to use these tools effectively to improve our lives and work. Lastly, but certainly not least, is vigilance. As with any powerful tool, AI comes with its own set of ethical and privacy concerns. We must remain vigilant and critical, questioning how our data is used, what decisions are being made by AI systems on our behalf, and how these decisions impact us and the world around us. In essence, preparing for AI is not just about embracing the technology, but also about understanding its implications and navigating its challenges. It's about striking a balance between leveraging the benefits of AI and mitigating its potential risks. As we embrace the AI revolution, staying updated is key. It's an ongoing process and one that requires us to be proactive, curious, and engaged. So let's get ready for the future, because the future is AI. In the rapidly evolving field of AI, staying updated is no easy task. But with a few strategies, you can keep your knowledge fresh and stay ahead of the curve. First and foremost, follow tech news. The world of AI is vast and dynamic, and it's essential to stay informed about emerging trends, new technologies, and advancements. Websites like TechCrunch, Wired, and The Verge offer up-to-the-minute news on all things tech, including AI. Podcasts, too, can be an excellent source of information. They can provide deep dives into specific topics and offer perspectives from industry leaders and experts. Next, consider attending seminars and webinars. These events are often hosted by universities, tech companies, or industry organizations, and they provide a wealth of knowledge. They offer the chance to learn from experts in the field, gain insights into the latest research and developments, and even network with others who share your interest in AI. Online courses are another great way to stay updated. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX offer a range of courses on AI and related topics. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced professional seeking to deepen your knowledge, you can find a course that suits your needs. Many of these courses are self-paced, so you can learn at your own speed, and they often include practical projects that allow you to apply what you've learned. Lastly, don't forget the importance of hands-on experience. Whether it's tinkering with an AI kit, coding your own AI program, or working on a project at work, nothing beats the learning you get from actually doing. It's the best way to understand the practical applications of AI and to stay attuned to its possibilities and limitations. With these strategies, you can stay on top of the AI game and make the most of the opportunities it presents. As the field of AI continues to evolve, your ability to stay informed and adaptable will be your greatest asset. As we navigate the AI revolution, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human intelligence and creativity. It's a catalyst, a facilitator, a game changer that's already reshaping our world and will continue to do so in ways we can't even imagine yet. Reflecting on the journey we've embarked on today, we've seen the enigma that is AI unfold. We've delved into its intricate workings, its potential to enhance individual lives and drive business growth. It's evident that AI is not just a fleeting tech trend, but a profound shift that's here to stay. Yet with all its promise, AI is not without its challenges. As we've seen, it's crucial to prepare for its impact, to equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills to harness its power responsibly. It's not just about riding the wave of AI, but understanding its currents, its ebbs and flows, its potential to both uplift and disrupt. And this brings us to an equally important aspect, the ethical implications of AI. As we increasingly delegate tasks and decisions to machines, we must strive to ensure that these technologies respect human values, that they're designed and used in a manner that is fair, transparent, and accountable. In the end, the narrative of AI is not just about code and algorithms, it's about people. It's about how we use this tool to solve our problems, to realize our dreams, to shape a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. So let's stay curious, let's stay informed, let's continue to explore and question and learn. Because the story of AI is still being written and we all have a role to play in its crafting. In the grand scheme of things, AI has the potential to make our lives better, and it's up to us to make sure it does.